Namaste parents, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel.
BumpToBrainiac.
So today me and my little daughter Aradhya are doing this activity which is called the
Balloon bassoon.
we are making a wind instrument of these windpipes. So we have some windpipes. We'll quickly show you. This activity is from the amazing Flintobox experiment kit. Again, it has several theme-based activities and they have been lovely, beautiful. I have done almost all of them and every video is there on my YouTube channel. This is the third box which we have opened, and we will become a musician today. So Aradhya will become a musician today. This is our instruction manual and the entire plan is given here. The first step is given. We have to paste stickers. The patterns and stickers are given. So if you can see, Aradhya has already put the stickers with the given patterns, and I must say she has done it beautifully and independently. So parents, we can understand and see that there is no need of screen to be given to these kids. They can happily enjoy and learn so much alone with these kind of activities. So the next step is sticking the cut balloons on the top. So if you see, we have put it here on all the three balloons. We have secured the cut balloons on one end of each pipe. Next, we are going to put the balloons, and blowers are provided in this particular pouch. So we will be putting it, attaching this part to this. From this end, Aradhya will blow the wind into the pipe. So parents, we have already prepared everything. The balloon is put and the blower is stuck here. Again, for all the three windpipes of different sizes, we have put the balloon and the blower is attached. Now the concept to be understood is that Aradhya will blow the tube and she'll raise the pipe slightly above her mouth level and see what kind of a vibration is created. Also, we have to understand that in different sizes of the different diameter of these pipes, which is big, medium and small, the intensity of the sound will be different. We will realize that the object which has a smaller size, it will be a sharper sound, and the pipe which is the broadest will have a deeper sound. The sound is created with the vibration and the air that she will give here. So there will be vibration in the balloon and the air inside. So it will become a balloon bassoon. Aradhya, do you want to give it a try?
Look.
Just lift it from your awesome. You want to try this also?
Yes, I'll try the largest one.
You have to keep it like this. Sizes produce different sounds.
Look, this also.
Yes, very good. Very good. So parents, this was a beautiful, fun wind instrument activity where we have created these windpipes, and this balloon bassoon is seriously tempting for kids of this age. So give this activity a try, and if you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel BumpToBrainiac for more exciting, engaging educational content. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए
Happy